Kevin's bike check. He hasn't done one yet. He's got the 2011 Verde Theory. Got some new parts on it. Start off with the top. It's got Animal Edwin grips, Odyssey power ends, stock bars. He should have the kink bolt stem, but he stripped the bolts out, so he has a stock stem. He broke all of his bearings, all of them, in his headset. So now, I don't know if you can see that, but you can sit there and move it. Okay, so moving down, got the Animal GLH 20 times 1.95. Alienation Deviant rim. I don't know what kind of spokes or nipples. Odyssey Vandero 2 hub. Moving back, stock frame, stock forks. It's got Odyssey Twisted PCs in orange, as you can see. Stolen Team 2.5 cranks. He broke his dust cap thing. And stock pegs. So he's moving back. Oh, he's got the Eclat chain wheel. KMC Z chain. Back tire. Oh, the seats stock. The tire is Animal GLH again, same as the front. 20 by 1.95. Primo 7 series rim with Primo Remix hub. And that's about it. And I am getting a new bike because my bike is falling apart. I'm getting either the Kink Liberty or the 2013 Verde Theory in red, and that should be good. I'm gonna do some riding for you now.